What's up, beautiful people? Thank you so much again for stopping by to the team Brian. If you're new to our channel, do it as we do it. Click on that red subscribe button, join our community, and I'm really going to appreciate. Naona leo niko na mrembo hapa anajiita Hilda Ray. Yeah, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, so Hilda and I'm here in Team Brian channel bana.
Yeah,
we are here to give you info kama kitu ingine
kabisa. She's an amazing content creator. Kama unataka information about Qatar, visit her channel and it's amazing. It's going to be really amazing. So I've taken this opportunity meeting her. Unajua watu wako na information lazima ni watafute. Naona vile nawapenda guys. I have to gather them so that we can get this credible information that is going to help you. So today, according to the title of that video, is how to get part-time jobs in Qatar.
Yes.
An amazing topic because a lot of people are asking me about that, and I know a lot of people want to know that. Ukiangalia tuko place inajiita DECC, a very amazing, beautiful place in Qatar. Qatar is beautiful.
Sana.
And if you want to come here, we have talked about that. Go and check Hilda Ray's channel. Tumeongelea how to get a visa to Qatar. So utaweza kuja hapa pia.
Yes.
So how to get a part-time job in Qatar. So Hilda, how to get a part-time job in Qatar. Mtu akikuuliza like Hilda, naweza pata part-time hivi?
Maybe first of all guys, one thing I can say, please raw talent. If you have anything you do with your hands, that's job for you. Unaweza fanya job huku upate another spare cash.
Exactly.
Kama unashuka nywele, unanyoa, unatengeneza bags ama unafanya nini, this place I'm telling you, because ni ngumu kupata those stuffs. Ni ngumu kushuka nywele huku. And then it cost kama hii nimechapa so hapa. Hii nimechapa so alafu bado nimenunua hii braids. Still people sell them. So guys, job ziko za kando. Ndio maana inaitwa part time.
Watu wa mikono kuna jobs kama hizo pia.
True. So one thing here, most of the juu ya weather, mimi nasema juu ya weather, everything here it's online. Wase wako so lazy. Watu kila mtu anakunga simu. So
yeah, true.
Kujimarket mostly here is online. One thing I can say, WhatsApp. Tell people you do this job. Share your contacts. Ambia mse please.
Join groups nini?
Groups, thank you. Groups, FB. And huko share, tell people you do this and this, and you can find people who will look for you and search you and try and get your services.
Kabisa. There's a lot of groups. Kama uko Kenyans in Qatar, kuna Kenyans in Qatar. If you are in Dubai, Kenyans in Dubai.
Yes.
If you are in Saudi Arabia, Kenyans in Saudi, Kenyans in Bahrain, Jordan, name them. And Ugandans and Zambians, Ghanaians, Nigerians. So, huwezi sema ati hauna platform. Iko platform.
Na pia place kuna applications, job applications. Indeed,
LinkedIn, kuna Glassdoor, Girl Forever, kuna Qatar Living that is on Facebook.
We'll try and link them down there in the description box. Apps ni mob, you can still go there, download your CV there and just sit down and wait for people to call you guys. Or also you can still apply online. You apply and people will get back to you and call you.
Very true.
Yep. Na pia TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok. By the TikTok squeeze in advertise vitu kama mchezo.
There's this chick who is everywhere. Even if you know if there is application, kuna job availabilities, story kama hizo. People go TikTok and they're like, guys, kuna hapa wanatafuta wase, go this place. Yeah,
true.
So, yep.
Yeah, and mimi nikiguzia about part-time, first ask yourself like, can you do the part-time jobs? Because wezi enda part-time, maybe you don't have an ID or your company inaweza kuleta issues. So you have to make sure like things are okay before you go for that part-time. That is what I can say. And also,
please try and find out what kind of job unaenda kufanya. Unaweza kuwa ni dem na unaenda kusafisha place hata ifai ama unaenda place ifai. Just be cautious also.
Yeah, and ukienda, I think it's good also to be cautious of which type of people are you working with. Yeah. Ataka iwe ni colleague or your bosses. Usiende kuwork na watu wako na shida na they have violated something or they are you know, wako na mashida zao, wakishikwa something comes up with you, you get included. I've seen people wamedipotiwa because of that. Yeah. Kumbe wanafuatwa mnashikwa wote. You see, they're not going to care you have an ID or what, bora ulikuwa hapo. So you have to know the right part-times to go for.
Yes.
Yeah, and part-times pay well.
So well. Also know you're right. Every hour before you start your part-time, make sure you have an agreement with your
person or this boss that is giving you this
kama ni
work.
per hour ama ni per day, mko mshaongea ndio mwisho ya kazi you're given your
money alafu
just don't go start alafu tena unanipe pesa, you're like this is not what we agreed.
And unajua watu hamwezi pelekana mbele sana, watakushinda because you're not linked to them in any way. Hakuna mahali mmeandikiana chini. So you have to be really careful when you are doing. Usiharibu wakati wako bure. Make sure you are earning something in a smart way.
Yes.
Yeah.
And guys, let me let me tell you about this app inaitwa Oxygen Hub. It's a very good thing. Ina work kama Uber. You just download it and then you say you do this job and this job and then just put it on. Anywhere you will be standing, anybody who wants your service, you just get it. It's really
it's
good.
something I'm
Oxygen
hearing for the first time. Oxygen.
Yeah. Oxygen Hub. Kama hiyo. We'll link down below.
Kabisa.
We'll write it somewhere. Here you see. It's really nice. Nice. And then you're paid like Uber with minutes, with hours, everything. Kimaliza ukianza hivyo.
Yeah, and
it's really safe.
Part-time, if you are bold enough, ukiona ka supermarket mahali or a mall, go ask them, do you have any job around here?
Yes.
Especially jioni ama morning time. Wakati wanashukisha vitu. Naweza wasaidia sana sana wanaume. You help them unashuka. Kuna siku I was passing by kuna grocery kuna supermarket iko huko place inaishi. I was just passing on my own. Nikapata jamaa fulani hapo Mkenya. He was there working there. Akaniambia tunatafuta watu wa part time washukishe hizi mabox ndogo ndogo kutoka kwa gari and it's 100 mkimaliza. I was like, tulikuwa na best yangu, tulikuwa like watu wa gani na tuko hapa tukashukisha. It was only 50 boxes, 50 to 150 boxes ndogo ndogo. Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Good. Yeah.
Thank you. Same Africa.
Africa. Morocco or Tunisia?
Okay. Thank you, boss.
Thank you. My battery. Yeah, so see how people are friendly in Qatar, naona kabisa. So tukachukua hiyo 100 hivyo rahisi sana, you see. So don't say hakuna part time or don't say hauna job in Qatar. You can be bold enough to go for it.
Yeah, everywhere you go, when you see somebody with a child and maybe you do that type of job, and muulize mama, you can give me job, I'll do this, I do this.
Yeah, you never know.
You never know, you're like, si unaketi tu unangoja.
Yeah.
Move.
And create network.
Yes.
Jua watu manze, ni rahisi sana kujua watu. Sasa hivi vile nimejua Ray, nimejua Oxygen Hub.
Yeah.
Unaona? Meet a friend. Yeah. I met another friend of mine, Malik. He told me about a group. Watu wana post all these things, you see. Yeah. So create a network, join na watu, and it's really going to help you to get all these part-time jobs. Kabisa. Yeah. And also some jobs kama barista, waitress, housekeeping, has a lot of part-time jobs. Kabisa.
So much.
Barista, housekeeping, sana nini, a lot of it. Na hizi ma construction if you can also.
Don't sit on your talent.
True, kabisa.
Do something.
Yeah. So guys, I think tumeguzia important things that you needed to know. If you have any more question to ask, comment down in the comment section. Yeah. Anything to add?
No.
Hauna kitu ya kuongeza?
Sina kitu ingine.
Na hii sweat yote.
After all this sweat, please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe. And thanks sana check out this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. God bless you. And also go to my channel,
Ray. I'm going to link down in the description. Show her love.
Show me love.
See you in our next video.